Guys, today I'm going to show you how to download purchased apps for free. It's not Aptoid. Well, it's not Mobile Genie, something like Mobile Genie. It is called 9apps. 9apps. So what you do is simply punch in 9apps. Yep. And it's a pro you're going to get, and you should type it in Google. Alright, here it is, 9apps. Wow, that's new. I haven't had 9apps since, well, just a while ago. And it just updated. Wow. What's this sexy party? You guys see that? Sexy party. Fake call girls. What? Where's this stuff your sex position? Well, I know Clean Master is there. Indian sex. Alright, we're finished with that. Now we just simply download the thing. And then you'd say start downloading. You can see it up here. Well, it would be, my one is finished now. Under here, it was on B. Alright, now. Up here it is. 9apps. It's installing. Guys, if kids are watching this, you should not download the things what I just looked at. Sex position. Huh. Very funny. Alright, I think this is gonna take a while. 9apps. Ouch. The persons who viewed what I did with RevDL, thank you for the views, and yeah, thank you for the views. Alright, I'm just coming out of that. It'll just take a little faster. It will just appear quick. I downloaded... Oh, here it comes. I downloaded Hill Climb Racing. You remember the chase ride I did? Yeah. I downloaded that with RevDL. What did I download with 9apps again? I can't remember. Oh yeah. I downloaded, I think, these nuts with, as you can see, these nuts with 9apps. Alright, so let's click into there. I'll show you like. What? What? One key install? Did I press that? Oh no. Guys, do not look at these stuff. Oh, why did I say hot? So I wonder what to spell. WhatsApp. Maybe WhatsApp. They have WhatsApp in this. Yep, WhatsApp. How about, let's have Aptoid in this. Yep, they have Aptoid, but the current, I think it's the old one. What are they doing? Oh, scanning. Thanks. They're scanning scanning the app. Right. What the hell? Alright guys, thanks for watching this video. Alright guys, thanks for watching this video. Remember, like what I always say, peace.